Hi there, my name's Taylor Copeland, and in this video we're going to be going over appearance and label macros. So let's get into it. It's really quick and easy. All we have to do is start a new macro, hit add, and for our label macro, we're going to say label and then at, the actual at symbol and not the word at. Hit enter on that, and we will name this label. Okay. And then for our appearance, it's the same thing. We are going to say appearance. Oh, that's not how you spell appearance. Here, hence, and then so it's appearance and then at as well. Cool. And we will call that appearance. Cool. So how these work is you click on the macro and it's basically going to put a label into your command line, and you can click on something else. So we'll say def not park. Yes. Okay. Right, so label macro works pretty easy, pretty handy, right? And in appearance, you click on appearance and you click on a macro, it's going to bring up this window. And what this window will do, it will allow you to change the colors of different things in the MA software. Yeah, so we can take we can hit appearance and click on our groups. And I don't know, I want this group to be red. Cool, and then we'll just click on different blue icons so you can see that. Cool. Yeah, that's appearance and label. Pretty easy, pretty simple, fast, and saves a lot of time. Saves you from clicking a line, or not a line, sorry, a sign a bunch of times. A line's going to be the next video where we're going to make a shortcut to these guys because that is also very helpful. Anyways, I'm Taylor Copeland. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next one.